Hi, welcome to Social Buzz Marketing, your go-to destination for mastering the art of social media marketing. In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. But did you know that it's not just about sharing photos and staying connected with friends? Enter social media marketing, a powerful tool for businesses to reach and engage with their target audience. So, what exactly is social media marketing? Put simply, social media marketing involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive website traffic or sales. It's about more than just posting content. It's about creating meaningful interactions and fostering relationships with your followers. And the best part? Social media marketing provides invaluable insights through analytics, helping you understand your audience better and refining your strategies for maximum impact. But why is social media marketing so important in today's digital landscape? Well, for starters, social media platforms have billions of active users worldwide, making them an incredibly powerful channel for reaching a vast audience. Moreover, social media allows businesses to humanize their brand, engage in real-time conversations, and showcase their personality, fostering trust and loyalty with their followers. Social media marketing is cost-effective compared to traditional advertising channels, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. And social media marketing is not just a trend. It's a fundamental aspect of modern marketing strategies. Are you ready to take your social media skills to the next level? Subscribe to Social Buzz Marketing for expert tips, tutorials, and industry insights.